How to fix Telegram downloaded files not showing. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if the downloaded files from your Telegram are not showing. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that your internet connection is stable. While you are downloading the file, you must have a stable internet connection for it to download completely on your device. But even if you have a good internet connection but it's still not downloading, then in that case what you need to do first is tap on the Messenger, Telegram, and then once you open up your Telegram, you just have to clear its cache. So just open up its settings. Once you get to your Telegram settings, just tap on data and storage, and from here you can tap on storage uses. So from here you can tap on clear cache to clear out any of the junk files. Now from here what you need to do is head over to the Telegram's app info, and once you get to your Telegram's app info, scroll down to storage once again, clear cache if there is any left, and now tap on force stop, because if there is any unknown background activity going on, this will completely stop it. And now just tap on permissions to make sure all of these are turned on and give your phone a quick restart. After that, your problem should be fixed. I hope you found this video helpful. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.